Ouch!
Hello, my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. So beautiful. So cute.
I like it!
I'm so cold. Lisa, help me.
Today, I will make a two-story house for Elsa.
Oh, wow.
I hope you like it. First, make the kitchen. Make the kitchen cabinet. Combine the cardboard pieces. Ta-da! Draw the drawers on the foam sheet. Cut according to the drawing. So lovely. Make the countertop. Woo-hoo-hoo! Make the gas stove. Flatten the clay.
Yes.
Cut the clay into a square shape. Shape the gas stove. So beautiful. Make the toaster. Cut the cardboard according to the drawing. Amazing! Make the refrigerator. Apply glue to the cardboard. Combine the cardboard pieces to shape the refrigerator. Make the refrigerator door. Add an Elsa image to the door. So beautiful! Woo-hoo-hoo! Put soda and ice cream in the refrigerator. Make the table. Apply glue. Roll the foam piece to make table legs.
Excellent.
Make the cake with clay. So cute! Make the chair. Apply glue. Add cotton on top. Wrap the fabric around it. Ta-da! Use the beads as chair legs. So beautiful!
Wow, the cake is so delicious!
The kitchen is complete. Next, we will make the living room. Make the sofa. Draw the sofa on the cardboard. Cut according to the drawing. Decorate the sofa. Add 4 chair legs. Make the table.
Wow!
Place the table next to the sofa.
The sofa is beautiful. I like it.
The living room is complete. Next, we will make the staircase. Combine the cardboard pieces to form the steps. Make the railing for the staircase. The first floor of the house is complete.
Lisa, make me a bedroom on the second floor.
Okay.
Now we will make the bedroom. Make the bed. Make the cushion. We will need cotton and fabric to make the cushion. Cut off the excess fabric.
Whoa!
Make the bed frame.
Great!
Make the dressing table. The mirror. Can you guess what I'm doing? A beautiful sparkling makeup box. Lipstick, perfume, and shampoo. Ta-da! Make the chair. Make the wardrobe. Combine the cardboard pieces to shape the wardrobe. Make the door. Make the dress.
Oh, wow!
Wonderful! The house is complete.
sleep on the first floor? I'll curl up in here to warm up.
La 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 la.
Huh? Oh, what is this? Today, I found this box. Too many cute stickers. This box looks gorgeous. These are inspired by Elsa and Anna. The eyeshadow has many colors.